Hey everybody, Bill here, Jagged X Off-Road. The last time we talked about this vehicle right here, this Ranger Northstar, we were in the process of installing that Thumper Fab lift kit, as you may recall, and we were getting pretty close to buttoning it up. Well, it's done. We had a little time to get it out here in the desert, give it a little shakedown, do a little drive on it. Want to show you guys kind of what it looks like now that it's basically, you know, all the suspension work is done and it's ready to go. You know, we got a few more things we're going to do to this car. It's still going to get a stereo. It's still going to get some lighting and some other things. But we'll keep you up to date on all that stuff as it happens. But man, look at this thing now compared to what it was before. I mean, this is a beast. It sits so nice. This Thumper Fab kit went on really, really smooth. I can't say enough for how it fit. Everything fit good. I didn't have to do any grinding, no cutting, no welding, nothing. It all went together really, really good. We've had it out here in the desert a little bit. The Z-Bro shocks, they work seemingly really, really well. The car rides really nice and smooth, really quiet, everything. There's no creaking, no popping, everything's looking really good. So we got the ride height set. There's no rubbing, no bumping on the tires anywhere. Speaking of tires, we went with a different tire here than we're normally used to. You see most of our stuff clad in BF Goodrich tires, but you know, our friends over at Thumper Fab say, hey, you know what, give these things a try. And this is their new Braven Berserker tire. This is a 35-inch tire. And man, you look at this thing, it just sets this car off. I mean, it's super aggressive look, nice smooth ride, steers really good. You know what, it's another option for you for tires. These things are really cool and they're pretty affordable too. We wrapped them around System 3 bead locks. Super good looking wheel. Kept the wheels tucked in a little bit so it's not super, super wide. Anyway, this is what it looks like with it all the suspension all finished up. Hope you guys like it and stay tuned for more because we're gonna keep working on this Ranger.